What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And Panda's restocked again. They the new Uptowns, man. They the new Air Force Ones. In the beginning of the video, I was looking because I think this is my third pair. My second men pair, but my first woman pair. I had two men. I'm getting confused with myself. I brought 3 pairs of Pandas. And back in last year, late last year, I did a how to style on the high top Pandas, black and whites. So today is only right I do the how to style on the lows. I'm really not going to replicate anything you seen there. I'm going to find the video for that and I'm going to put it up there. But in this video, being that they're lows and it's hot outside, the weather's nice, we're going to do some summer things to match with this. I remember in the high top video, I gave y'all a whole bunch of black essential hoodies and crew necks, gray. You know, it was a fire match. But it was more for the winter. This time we're going to do a little summertime fun. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. So I told y'all in the high top version, I gave y'all a lot of sweats and hoodies. So in this one, I'm going to give y'all some shorts. So just like the sweats and the crew necks, you could do the tee and the shorts for the nice weather. Plus it looks better on the lows. This is the essential shorts, $70 retail right now. Everyone has a sale. Essentials came out a lot this year, man. So grab these, perfect match, all black. Everybody knows essentials. It's the thing to rock now. Your basic Supreme black tee. Black tee, white Supreme writing, perfect. But we really don't do nothing basic here at Sneaker Notes. This is the Greta Gremlin Supreme tee. So on the back, you got Greta looking all sexy. But in the front, you matching the Pandas perfectly and basically. You could get this under retail on StockX. I think like $50 to $60, depending on your size. I really got to wear this shirt, man. I brought this shirt from my Bear Brick Nike SB Dunks. I wound up getting rid of them. But hey, we still find a perfect match. This right here is the Fragment Beer Brick tee. Yo, the material, A1, guys. A1, man. Like, you can even wear this tee in the fall. But getting back to the shirt, graphics, you got the Fragment logo with like a computer beer brick in the back. Very basic, but very dope. On the back, you even got the Fragment logo. I like it, man. Retail, I brought this shirt a while ago, guys. I didn't get it on. I can't remember the retail. The price is not here. But if you need help finding this, man, hit your boy up in the comment section below. And we'll go through the rabbit hole together to try to secure it. Going from black to white, Como des Garçons, man. Usually they got the red and black with the red heart on the black tee. This one here is a rarity. Rarity, that's a word? Rarity. This one is different. It got the all white tee, black heart outline, even with a black heart in the inside on top of the eye. And you already know CDG material. And affordable, man. Under $150. I love CDG for that play design. Well, that play, CDG, what would you call it? Play is a different brand of Como des Garçons. CDG play is usually more affordable than a regular Como des Garçons. My French people help me out. I don't know what it means. But it's a Nike Just Do It tee, a play on the off-white look. Virgil is really, man, RP Virgil, man. But they played off the Virgil look. You see it say logo in that off-white font with the quotation marks. Nike swoosh, just do it. The back, I don't know what it say, man. But I do know the tee is black. The words are white. Perfect match with your Pandas, man. Going really off-white now. It's my man Virgil with the, what did they call this tee? I can't remember what they called this tee, but it's a Nike collab, and it was to match these right here, the Jordan 5 joints. I guess you can match them with the white ones too, right? but it was the Master Jordan 5 joints. That's why you got like these holes in it, just like the Jordan 5s. But you could put it on with the Pandas too. It's a perfect match, and the bottom is definitely a different cut from what you ever seen when it comes to a Nike tee. Jordan, I know y'all like, why is the jersey white and black? Jordan had a baseball run in the 90s. He played for the Barons and eventually the White Sox. Super rare, see, not rarity, super rare jersey. Perfect match to your Pandas. You got the white, the black. You even got some gray, the iconic 45 I'm back jersey number, man. And this is made by Majestic. I'm not sure if Majestic has a website. I brought this tee a while ago, I brought this jersey a while ago, and I'm really not sure where you can find it, but do a Google search, and if you need help, let's go find it. Hats. Now, when it comes to hats and that Panda, it's easy. Hat Club is killing. New Era stepped their game up. Getting hats are easy, guys. But first, I think about the Rock Nation logo, the Rock Nation Paper Planes hat. Dope match. Salt and pepper on top of salt and pepper. The Pandas. This is like a perfect basic match, guys. Next, you know I'm from Brooklyn, so we gotta always throw some Brooklyn in. I usually always throw some Lakers in, but today we're gonna throw some Brooklyn in. And you got a Brooklyn Nets fitted. I know KD's gone, Kyrie's gone, Harden's gone, but they're building, man. But I like this hat because it puts some color to your outfit. Green, orange, flowers, dope match. And the White Sox hat. I showed you the Jordan jersey. Why not give it the White Sox hat look too? Great brim, brings the black and white together. Dope match. Yes, sir. So this has been a quick how to style on the Panda joints. I had to double back and give you these because they keep restocking. So we got to keep finding new ways to make the outfit fire. That's just how it go, man. If you haven't got these yet, you just don't want them, man. That's all I can say. You just don't want them. You can walk in your store. You can go on Goat and StockX and get them for the retail. So get your hands on these, man. Dope match, especially for the summer. You know what I mean? Any help you need securing, sizing, pricing, or anything you've seen in this video, I'm your guy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.